Welcome back to the channel. So you guys may not see me often in this YouTube channel. So first of all, I'm really sorry for that. And the second reason is that I was dealing some personal issues in my life, and I'm still dealing with them. So it will take a bit more time to get in track fully. So well, that's how life it is, right? So let's keep things aside for now, and I want to share a good news with you guys that one of my research work is got accepted in upcoming MSR 2023 conference. So it's considered as one of the biggest conference on mining software repositories, data mining, and software engineering individually. So yeah, that's a quick announcement about my research, and I'm really thankful to my supervisor and my co-authors for their continuous guidance and suggestions, to be honest. Without their support, I wouldn't be able to do this or complete the project on time. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for all your support. And well, yeah, that's a quick update and announcement about my research work. See you guys soon, hopefully in near future. Till then, goodbye, take care, peace out.